Okay, so thank you, everyone. This has been a very, I think, exciting meeting, and I think we will remember it as sort of a transition point. I think it was very palpable throughout the 2 days and in all of the discussions that everyone had. We really wanted to focus the closing, first of all, on thanking the many people who have done an enormous amount of work in order for this meeting to be successful: the speakers, chairs, breakout leaders, scribes, and live stream moderators. And in particular, the RIKEN team, Miho, Furuno, Machiko, Hiromi, and also our good colleagues from the organizing committee, Jay and Piero, for hosting us here and doing just an absolutely spectacular job and making us feel very much at home away from home. The convention linkage folks, Ruriko, Ruri, and the AV team. And then the teams at the executive offices in the US at the Broad, Christine and Jane, without whom, seriously, none of this would have really materialized, as well as Orit, and at the Sanger, Tracy and Kirsten. We had a lot of support for this meeting. This was a little bit more challenging to organize in some ways because of the distance for some of the participants. And so our long-standing partnership with the Kavli Foundation, who have supported many of these meetings and will continue supporting into the future, as well as the special support for this meeting from the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative that allowed us, amongst other things, to live stream effectively, which is a very important component. As well as in this meeting in particular, we had corporate sponsorship, both from 10X and from Sony Imaging Products and Solutions. So we'd like to thank all of them, and I hope that you can join us in this. We are also happy to announce the first HCA baby. So this is James, who is Piero's new son. Not Piero's, sorry. This is James, who is Jay's new son. Sorry. And it's just... And he is wearing also the first HCA onesie. I do not know if these will be available on Amazon, but we can consider a line of products next. Definitely becomes him. We all agreed he's unbelievably adorable. And so with this, we can also announce the next HCA meeting. It will be in the fall. It will be in Barcelona, Spain. We are very grateful to Holger and for hosting us. It will be between October 10th and 11th. And please stay tuned for invitations and other details and save the date for the time being. And we also would like to point out the collaboration meeting that HCA and NIH are working on setting up together in Bethesda, Maryland, between March 30th and April 1st, 2020. This meeting will focus on coordination and collaboration across programs in the research community and will be different than other HCA meetings because it's not a typical single HCA meeting, but actually an activity that we're co-organizing together with multiple programs in the NIH, and in particular the HubMap, the Human Tumor Atlas Network, and the Brain Initiative. And we're very grateful for the NIH for taking this on together. And so there's a lot, mark your calendars, and I think we've heard loud and clear the eagerness of everyone to tell others what they're doing and participate in coordination and transparent activities, and much more is going to happen in the next few months around that. And with that, we wish everyone safe travels, and we thank again Piero and Jay, and congratulate Jay on his new son. Thank you.
So, see you in Barcelona.